around 11. There was an accident between 9 and 10 which is gone. Accident on the exit slip road at junction 11, there's 2 of them. They're still there but not having too much of an impact on the main carriageway. And then further around you've got queues to 16 for the M40. We've got congestion from 23, A1M through to 25, and a little bit between 27 and 28, the M11 to the A12. Anti-clockwise, queues in patches between 16 and 9 to Leatherhead, and still slow into the Dartford Tunnel, halfway back to junction 3 for the M20.
Sort of find the best.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll be honest, that you know, whoa, sorry, I just saw something. Yeah, that doesn't bother me. I'm just interested in getting it done. So
yeah, that's fine.
Clevedon, it's very slow. Looks like probably holiday traffic through there, and a breakdown around junction 11 for the Gloucester turn-off as well. M25 police incident closing a lane clockwise 8 to 9, Reigate to Leatherhead. An accident on the hard shoulder of the M2 eastbound, very slow at junction 5 Sittingbourne, and finally a lane out on the exit slip with an incident on the M4 westbound coming off at Bristol. That's the M32 at junction 19, and the travel number is 027.
Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
So let me play it for you and see how you react to this. We have submitted an objection to the planning application for enclosures for lions, wolves and tigers on the site adjacent to where we plan to build houses, because we are worried about the impact on residents of the noise and smell.